Jonathan, it's so good to come back to Rivercircle here 5 years on. That was when you were first venturing into the world of 5-axis machining.
Yeah, it's great to see you back again. I mean, we very much think that our management responsibility role is to be able to provide the best machines for our very skilled machinists, tool makers, so that they can produce their best work, which in turn means that we can give our customers the best products.
But you're looking around and there's some really iconic brands in industry around your machine shop. I love the fact that you go, I choose the best machine for the job. Is that how you buy a machine?
It is. I mean, we have a common thread through the machines, which is the Heidenhain control, which means that the operators can use different machines at different times. But that then did lead us to the AXILE, which again is a Heidenhain control on both of them. But we took a journey from the smaller gantry 5-axis machines. So the choice to go with the AXILE with a very similar design in its gantry design, the twin trunnions supporting the table, was really a natural fit and a real progression from what we had before.
So Jonathan, before we find out more about these machines and actually why you bought your second, what is it that Rivercircle produce here then?
Well, Rivercircle specialise in the design and manufacture of special purpose machine test and assembly machines. We also design and manufacture single and multi-cavity rubber mould tooling for the automotive industry, industrial applications and process industries.
In terms of materials that you said, what is it that you're wanting? Is it one-offs of these products that you're producing?
Yes, nearly all of our work is single one-offs. So the type of materials we can range from titanium, high-grade aircraft aluminium, hard, pre-hardened tool steels. And the benefits of these type of machines is that those fairly big billets can be put on. This machine has a capacity of 1,350 kilos weight on the table, 800 diameter, so we can put a big bullet on, we can put it on once, we can do all of the cavity work, but then we can spin it round and do the side holes as well, all without taking it off the table.
So when I last interviewed you a few years ago, the things that I pulled from that interview, and I always remember, is 5-axis and gantry. Those were the key things in a machine that you went, this is why we went for this. So
yeah, the gantry design of the machine was really important to us because it gives the machine that rigidity. So it doesn't just have to be doing precision, delicate cavity work. It can do the hard roughing, getting the block down to size very efficiently and effectively because of the strength of the machine and the power of the machine.
You've got two. That speaks volumes. It's worked. They're doing the job.
Yeah.
But what more? How can we expand on this? Why have they performed time and time again? What is it about the machine?
They've been reliable. They are accurate. They have a 20,000 RPM spindle, so we can do very fine engraving work, very fine surface finish in hard materials, but also, keep going back to this, the strength of the machine, it can plough off a lot of material. So the billet goes on once and gets 99% of the work done. And that's the best that we can do for our customer. It brings down lead times, potentially brings down costs because we're not setting the job up multiple times. So again, AXILE having a European base backed by ETG with its wide network of support throughout the UK is really important to us. Some of the detail of the machine you only really see during servicing when they take all the covers off. We can all see the diameter of the ball screws and the size of the motors and the rigidity of the bearings, but sometimes it's that detail. For instance, all the hoses that go through the rotary axis are all covered in a heavy-duty nylon woven sleeve. This is reducing friction. The pipes aren't going to wear out, so we can see that we're going to get long-term reliability out of the machine because of the way they've been designed and manufactured.
Jonathan, where do you think an AXILE sits in industry in comparison to others? There are different levels, so is that a fair question?
Well, for us and the type of work that we do, they've got to be right up there. there really isn't anything that we can't do on them. They're efficient machines, but inevitably they use quite a lot of electricity. So we're very proud this year to have put 500 solar panels onto the roof of the building, which during the summer, with a little bit of sunshine, will be not actually drawing any electricity from the grid to run this whole shop. So, feel we're doing our bit for manufacturing sustainability and reducing our carbon footprint, which has to be a good thing for everybody.
Is there growth opportunities with AXILE?
Well, it's funny you should say that, because we've had a job in the last couple of weeks that, had we had the high-speed turning option, we would have been able to do it absolutely in one setup. So you never know, watch this space. That might be our next investment.